Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Survival special, guys. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So right now, guys, oh, my mama tried to wash some clothes right there. Mama, come say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Okay, that's my African mom. Kuna vitano. Alright, guys, so on today's videos it's some another activity, and right now I decided to take one of my banana here to eat. Wow. So, I normally store, yeah, this banana here, guys. So that's how my house looks like. And guys, please go and check Felicitas on YouTube channel. I really appreciate. So I see her posting on YouTube her phone get cracked, so that's the reason why she didn't post the video, guys. So maybe we interact with her maybe by tomorrow's videos, guys, but I know no idea on this. So I'm trying to eat banana here. Oh my god. I got the mishara out there. Man, life in my countryside. Look. So you can see, guys, that's how my house looks like, and now I'm taking you outside, guys. Right now the sun is here. This is crazy. The sun is from this side here. Wow, I'm stuck over here. I'm gonna go. When do? That's all. So mama washing my sister's clothes, but I'm going to the farm assisting my mama to tie the cow. Wow. Oh my god. So let me finish fast eating this banana. Look at that. So guys, on today's videos I'm heading to my friend's land, and actually I'm going to cover that borehole, the second borehole which are empty. So I want to take some timbers from here, especially I think this one, that one here. Also we have some timbers here, some posts. I mean, I'll cut into some pieces like this one here. We have another one there, right there, so I can able to go there and cover, because there's a day went there, one of our women said, or one of our grandmas said, please, there is some kids playing here, jumping up and down, and then maybe one day they will fall inside on that borehole, and that borehole, it has water. So as a good caretaker, I'm going there to cover that borehole by putting the timber on top. So maybe in case somebody remove that timber and then maybe things fall inside, I done on my part. So I'm shooting these videos, taking you there. But first thing, I'm going to help my mama to figure out, some things here and there. You see mama right there? So it's time to take the car to the grazing point. Wow. Yeah, guys, that's the beautiful Africa. Say hello. You good? No. Yeah, this car is fat. When you want the car to stop, you must do like, and then you touch here. You do like that, guys. All right, so it's time let me unfold here. and then we keep moving, guys, you know. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. On today's videos are very, very special, you know. Yeah. Fluid vibe to the end, guys. Oh, I step. Oh my god! I step on a cow dung. Look. Wow. Hey. Okay. So let's go. Yeah. And then I'll come to take another baby calf right there. Hey. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm around at home, I normally help mama because my young brother and sister went to school, and then now we meet on weekend time. Also, my second brother went for the hustling outside there, you know. So I'm firstborn, guys. I need to take care of my family. Why not? You know. Let's go, guys. Yeah. I'm pushing these videos, so for my premiere again, you get these videos in good time, you know. We follow with vibe to the end. This is the cow here. Let's go. Yeah. And I think this cow is pregnant. You can see the stomach. It tells you this cow are pregnant. No joke, guys. So we are pushing, guys. Pushing every day. Pushing to achieve our goal, man. You know? Yeah. Make sure, guys, you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Come on. You know? Yeah. The beautiful cow are coming here in blue shape. You see the stomach? Yeah. So I'm sure of that. This cow is pregnant because the stomach is big like that. So I think my mama go that way or this way, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I see my mama on the other side. Yeah, let's pass it here. No. No. Come on here. Come on here. There's a motorbike right there. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, other cows in our village are very crazy. You need to direct them and then things like that. So after this, I think I'll go to take the hammer, nails, and then boom, go. You know. Yeah. You see, we normally come here after people harvest their maize. So the work is to graze the cow, guys. Like that one there. Oh. Yeah. And then from there, in the noon time, we fetch water. Okay, let's go. Yeah. So one thing you want to know if the cow want to graze at that point, when it starting grazing, so you know that that place have some grass. So it wanna graze, guys. No. Come this side. Yeah. You see? Like my mom. Semera kabisa mami gisibuke. Aye. Okay guys, so I'm going to bring, there's one bull, many, the small bull. Yeah. Dale, porque... Oh. So guys, we're remaining with one bull. No. Guys, I'm so tired, but I need to push myself. Mama, let's go. Yeah. And then from home to the Bohanse, it's around 5 minutes walking. The Bohanse just down here, right? Where you see some trees, this one and this one, that like that gap, that's near Bohanse. So yeah. Okay. So here we go, guys. You know, that's how the beauty of Africa looks like. Super amazing, guys. You know? So me, I don't want problem with people or with my neighbors. Oh, some people fall in your borehole. Why do you leave that at that time? Me, I think maybe they have some mistakes. Why they might be trespassing to my friend's land. So apart from that, I know kids, but a human being, when they fall down there, they have its own mistake. Mama is on. Huh? Oh, I'm telling Mama there is a peg here. Mama said they have some problem. Yeah, sure. Oh, this is a pig, guys. So I know kids, they will jump from nowhere and then found themselves falling like boom. Okay, that's my mama coming from there, you know. Village life. Okay, inside here. Passing on the bush, you know. Other people may wonder, hello baby, in your village no good roads. No, that's the life which we born and get the way it is, and then for us we just continue with our normal life. Okay, yeah. So guys, in case you missed my video, have some ads, please watch that ads till the end, so at least that's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official here, and then I support my family at the end of the month, man. You know, yeah, I'm trying to gather materials or to bring more materials as I can. Yeah, so one day when I start building my house, it's one, and then I said boom, the house will never stop from the foundation up to the ringtone. Yeah, it's going like crazy. Hey, I'm working quick and fast. So this one is the one that's remaining here, but we are going to create a peg, how to make a peg. Yeah. You're passing about here, we have the barbed wire. You must pass carefully. If you pass chagarabaga, you injured your leg. Ah man, when I see my home like that, I feel so happy on my side. Sure, And this is the maize corn. That's how we dried maize here, I'm telling you. And then we have staple food on the table known as ugali. This one we dried like the way it is. When it's dry up enough, you take the posho meal, you grind, you get flour for white ugali. Very strong. Even you see my neighbor is coming to fetch water, guys, from other side down here. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. And guys, I hope everybody, we are doing well as much as possible. As Hello Baby, I'm doing good, guys. I can't complain at all, you know. So yeah, man, a day like this, when I see my neighbor fetching water home, man, I feel so good. I feel so blessed because I drilled this borehole here for the main purposes. My neighbor can benefit in good way. Also, my family can benefit in good way, guys, you know. Yeah. So it's to reduce the walking distance to the river. Yeah. Yeah, that's a peg. Mama yangu too. Okay, let me help my mama to create a peg. Camera. Okay, guys, I'm setting this. Yeah, like that, mama. There's no need to struggle a lot. And we have some kids around home. Daughter and son. All of them are good. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. So that's how it looks like. And this is machete. Okay, man. So let me give our mama the company and then we go. From that is to come and pack my thing and I go. Is to pack my thing. We go. Chagara. Yes. You know, we use energy, guys. You know, no machine. Use energy to fetch water. Yeah, like that. There's water. Okay, guys. Whew. Water and I'm telling my mama, you just continue go. I'll come with that bull. Yeah, guys. And it's sunny. It's so hot here. You see the sun right here. So we're heading in the month of right now. Not we're heading right now. We're in the month of July. You know, at night it's very cold. Daytime it's very hot. Very hot. Very. Even you can't complain, guys. Yeah. The feeling that I feel from here when it's sunny day, man, if your melanin is low, you know. If you know, you know. Okay, no, calm down. What's up? Calm down. Calm down. Down. There is one song said, calm down. Down. All right. Boom. Oh my God. No, this bull, oh my God, where we're going to start from, you know, this crazy. You must be very careful when they untie. No, Go. Calm down. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, it depends the country which are watching these videos, you know. And if you're watching from my country in Kenya, here I'm shooting these videos early in the morning. The sun was rise from there, and then we're moving on inside here. So also I know other places are night right now. The places like US, Texas, you know, UK, I know, like New York City, it's very late, but I'll leave these videos daytime, you know, for my entire world to watch these videos. I'll leave our exact time, you know. We have different duration of time, you know. When it's daytime in my local watch in Africa, other places are late. Other places too at the same time, you know. I know other country, guys, we are ahead of like 7 hours ahead, like US, you know, UK. I think it's about Jamaica. So I will make more research. For now, let's push. So guys, I think from here more amazing videos coming, you know. But first, let me give my mama this cow, the grazing point. Come down here, bro. Come down. Come, go down there. Oh my God. Pulling the cow. Okay guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. Make sure guys you leave us a comment on the comment section, and share my videos to a friend, guys. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official, guys. Alright guys, we're back home, and I'm thinking to go with this stuff the way it is, but it can't fit on the bike. So my work is to remove the timber and like this post, and then this timber to put aside, and also to do more collection, you know. So probably it can fit on the bike, because this one is somehow large, and then my bike is small, you know. And then I'll have some you have the cock, so we have some extra, what you call extra posts, because I'm going there with full force. Yeah, it's early in the morning. Okay guys, that's blessing, guys. Blessing, man. So yeah, my mama she was right there doing some okay, misumari ni kidogo. You have the cock, guys. That's blessing. Umuteka na nyundo ni kidogo tu. Yeah, you need little noise. Yeah, I bought these nails so tapaganta misumari meru. I bought 300. I bought these nails for the purposes of fixing the carabat. So this is the remaining one. Yeah, then I'm choosing which can fit there. Don't have the bigger one. I think this is enough. And then this is the ma'am. So guys, I want to demolish this stuff the way it is, you know. No jokes. Taringani mic. Asonga mbele hayo. The way it is. I think now I'm okay. Even we have some sharp nails here, but I know how to fix on my bike, you see? Yeah. Okay. Let me look more timbers, guys, as we go. Oh my god. Yeah. It's crazy, you know. Yeah. I think this one is the best. Yeah, the one there. And then that one here. I need to make something concrete. You know, if someone try to pull up, Alright guys. I think Mama, ukiona recording kia. Oh my god, even this one have some nails. This is crazy. And then they have thrown, look guys. And then they have been throwing on other firewood. So people are walking there looking for firewood. Step here. Oh, you see longer day. Oh my god. Okay. Hello baby, hello baby. Hello baby on the control. It's heavy. Yeah. So I need some stuff. Hey, I'll go there like an army soldier. Yeah, I don't want people. Yeah, thank you. I don't want people to complain. Oh, do that. Oh, do that. Oh, that and that. No. So guys, I'll show you how I'm tightening that. So stay blessed, man. I'll show you on my bike and then moving on the way. Yeah. So I left home for some hours and then I'll be back, you know. And then from that I'll take you to border town and all stuff, man, you know. Alright guys, the process started. Okay. Okay guys, first thing is to tighten this bladder, you know. It helps me to tighten those firewood or timbers, whichever the case. Oh my god. Yeah. And then I put this, you know. I put this so do not injure my seat point, this metallic, and then this one here. You do like that. So I don't know whether I can start with timbers, but I have no idea. Let me start with this one, like that way. There, you know, with a lot of careful, guys, because it has some nails. I don't know, guys. how my day could be. How my day could be. Anyway, guys, but it is what it is. Oh my god. You know. This real struggle from the village. We normally do these things, and then other people wonder, hello baby, what's up? You know, like one army. I think, you see guys, you know what I mean? Oh my god. So I'm tightening, guys, you know. I'm tightening this stuff. Because it's big. So yeah guys, no joke. Yeah, no joke. You know what I mean? Yeah, no joke. Guys, what I'm doing here, and it will never fall. Oh, I forget something amazing here. Alright guys, so it's time to go. I've already shown you all the process. So I'm heading to my friend's land, you know. So let's go. I don't know, but I'll try maybe my best to capture a little bit on my way. So let's do, guys, let's do this. Alright guys, I'm on the road going that way. And then you see guys, you know, nothing to be fake here, you know, so let's go. Wow. At the back, some stuff there, you know. Right now it's a harvest season, guys, you know. Wow. Okay guys, that's how I go. You know, I'm fully outside doing some activity from the village. Yeah, that house right now, it's very, very beautiful guys. Painting with white. Looking like a Paris, man. Big shout out to Chef Matiko's engineer. You know, his home is right here. Let's go guys. Yeah, there's some shops here. Kids at break time or students. You wanna see down there? Man. There's a school right here. Ah, I see the KK is coming. No, this is crazy. That, hey, boy. Okay, let's move. Marcela, yes. Wow. So I'm almost, guys, you know, to reach Nyabohan. Kwani kieva ndochora sukuma naripita ba watira magiraji bado tamuzungu amekana hata 500 iriko garanti sukume kuyansi angeveke hazi problem hazi problem Demuzungu hino visit yako. Basi kama tore nyumba sasa. Uhitaji mekukuli spare part. Mzungu. Okay. You know they call white people mzungu. Anyway. Okay guys. Struggling here. Some rental house. Small. So also have another rental here. This is a mastermind. Okay guys, so finally I'm in Nyabohanse. Yeah, like that. That's how the thing will go. Oh my god. Super crazy. You know, but I'm keep going, man. That's how Nyabohanse looks like. Hey, we are it. Jambo. Yeah. That truck bring one day some material inside. Yeah, Nyabohanse village guys to the world, you know. Yeah. We show you where we came from guys. On this small village here. You know, nothing to be hide. Whoa. Alongside there's some shops, you know. I'm heading down here. Wewe Joe, aya Guys, so these roads are very popular, and I think if I'm shooting these videos, you already know, you know, yeah, that's an even grass right there. And actually I'm heading down here, down here, down here. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's video. Slow but sure, you know, my work is slow but sure, no harassing things. That's Nyabuhansi police station, all police posts. You know, if you make some crazy stuff, the police will deal with you in our village here. Also they are dealing with criminal suspects. Yeah man, yeah. Anyway guys, I'm grateful, and I thank God to be here today. I thank God for my good health, for my life, you know. Yeah, let's go. We keep pushing. Yeah. The good thing when I have my baby like that, it helps me to carry firewood or some post, maneuver around, looking for the content. Man, this bike, if one day I buy my car, I remember this bike, because it's changed my entire life. Woo. We can't imagine guys, from a mountain bike to the first bike, I have it, and then I have the second bike. Man, what's next? Hey. Wow. We keep moving guys. And also Tanzania, just with them here, right there. You know, kids are grazing there, making story. Super special Kibinda. Right. Where? That's hey. Yeah. Yeah, ntana ganto ni anikuliva Brian. Labda jioni. Labda ndo ndalinga jioni. Kuna anungu tu ni kumaha masabu. Aneni ko temera. Kana mana nekiresa. Labda metokora saki kuma jioni atifinje. Na ndalinga no jioni. Ya mbire. Aya. Tani chembor kiburu kuhura. Tahura nich. Kwani harti video ke ufimu ninga to koru nyora pasapota baru. Oh my god. Sometimes guys it's crazy. So I park there and there's one guy calling me here. So I'm telling you guys, this is a hidden roof. So I have my good subscriber said, hello baby, don't go for the shortcuts. You know, shortcut it's good at that time, and then boom. Yeah guys, so this is the guy which I'm talking with. You good?
I'm good.
So that's my brother guys, since childhood.
I'm Brian.
Yes, Brian.
Yeah, Brian. I'm washing my clothes.
Clothes, yeah.
Today I decided let me do my manual. At least I can be clean. Not every day to be look dirty. Okay, this is how I'm doing my work. I'm washing my clothes slowly. You know,
guys, this guy is very popular. Very popular to internet. Very popular.
Yeah.
So even right now he was asking me some small job, and I told him if you work, maybe in the evening, not maybe in the evening, I'll sort you out. We agree?
Yeah, I am agree.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let me finish this one.
Or we use a shortcut.
Okay, can use a shortcut.
Okay, let me go first.
Okay.
So I'll wait you there. Yeah. That what I can shortcut. Sisa bunyo tore muskuta gachi. Kana tatema mu shortcut. Katabu bibeki no askana. Miambiri atu mote na pesa Brian. Wanda miambiri. Dawo miambiri. Yetara shida na miambiri wangegucha. Yeah. Guys, let me go. Because right now I'm blocked, so there's no need to argue, bargaining here and there. Hi. Okay, guys. Let's go, guys. That's Mama Ann's home. Normally go down here. Let's push, you know. Yeah. Push the video to the end. Woo! So that's come home. Let's push. So I normally come this place. Oh my God. Passing there, it's somehow crazy, so I need to pass careful. So I'm heading there, and then the villa is down here. You see the white stuff? That's the villa. Wow, it's 50 meters apart from here. You know, you can walk even at 0 minutes from here to down. Oh guys, so I'm back, and it's time to unfold this stuff. These some nails. Also, I have the hammer here. I have been well told myself, you know. And then removing the jackets. Yeah. Let's see, guys. Yeah, removing my jacket, guys. This is a serious work. Even guys, I don't know, there's no need even to allow that guy, because no money, man, no money. I'm coming, guys. Let me fix my jacket here. Yeah, man, yeah. I'm supposed to do these things by my own, man, by my own. So guys, Say hello. It's even some kids are around here and they no idea. So probably msikuja hapa. Kuna kisima. Rudi huko. I'm telling him don't come here. Because guys, let me tell you one thing. If you throw stones inside there, has a lot of water. I don't know if you can find stones. Let's confirm, guys. You heard by yourself. You heard a lot of water. And then also we have my neighbor's kids. You can see right. We have another one right there, another one here. We have the borehole empty. Guys, it's time to cover. You know, I can't complain. Naenda tucheze kwanza huko, kaa huko ama uende nyumbani. So guys, first let me check. Even when the post is not enough, I will use this one. You know, that one here. Yeah. Also, I need to close this one here for the good purposes. See the one here? Okay. For our entire village, people are building. You can see this is a 4-bedroom or 5. No idea on that. So guys, let's see my work. You know, is to unfold again. Yeah. Okay guys, the good thing is I come with the a small stand, you know. Yeah, let's come closer, right there at that position. Oh my god. What I put here? Maybe closer, you see me, I don't know. If you see me clear, guys, that is it. No. So it's time to unfold. It's time to unfold, guys. One on one. And then I put down. Yeah. Alright guys, it's time to put one by one down, you know. Oh my god, sometimes it's crazy. Like this one is bigger. I hope guys I didn't injure my bike. It's supposed the way it is, like that. So my work is to arrange the post, guys. Okay guys, I'll show you at the end of the video. Let me arrange first thing, guys. Alright guys, I want to work right there, you know. So okay guys, I think that is me, guys. I arrange like that, and then I think also like that. I don't want somebody to fall inside. Yeah. It's to cover, you know. Nice. It's to cover. the stuff. And then hammering. We do hammering. Yeah. Okay guys, it's time to do hammering. You know, I'm fixing my camera down here below so everybody can see me what I'm doing. I think like that, guys. Like that. Not to be a caretaker, there's no need to joke around. You know. Like that, guys. Yeah, the good thing I came with nails down here. Yeah. It's a lot, you know. It's time to do hammering. It's time to do hammering, guys. Like that. Also, I think this one I'll fix it here. You know? Right, guys. You know what's, my good people? I'm struggling. I'm a cameraman, you know, and all stuff. Yeah. All right, ma'am. I'm doing hammering here. Yeah. No problem. If the guy will come here, I will tell him, oh man, I finish up. Okay guys, I'm joking, but let's keep pushing, man, you know. Slowly, I will be there. Okay guys, you know, I'm fixing my camera to be on that position. To be on that position. Wagwan. Things have already sorted out. I think even this one. First, let me fix it here. I remove the nails, guys. Yeah, man. That's your boy, hello baby. Right here. Working, not joking, guys. If I found any other cases here, I'm not on that part. Guys, what do you think? That's how I create this stuff, and also I'll cover to have the small gap. Like here, no one will fall here. So at least right now, even also the drunk will pass here, no pressure. Yeah, I will arrange like this one here on top. Yeah, I think like that way. Yeah. I think like that, guys, you know. Also, yeah, at the same time I'm a cameraman, but it is what it is. As long as we flow the vibe till the end, we are ready to go. And try to minimize this stuff. Yeah, like that way, guys. Go! Go! I'm enjoying, guys, to be a carpenter. Some few minutes. Yeah. And then I'll fix this. I think right here also. If maybe somebody want to fetch water, they will move the stuff and fetch water, you know. Even me right now, guys, I'm on top. Okay. I have a lot of nails, guys. Nothing to fear on that. Nothing to fear on that. Oh my God. When that guy will come, guys, I'll tell him, bro, I have already finished up. I'm so tired, guys. You know? Yeah. I will tell that guy, things have already sorted out. Things have already sorted out. Oh my God. Yeah. I think that way it's best. It's number one. It's number one. Nothing to be feared that. Guys, may I think I've already done my parts. You can't see. Also, I think this one it's time to push it, you know, for the main purposes. Yeah, like that. Now, guys, so even I can step on top. So that is me. Like, no worry. I think to add one more nail, maybe here, because this one are strong. Okay. Yeah, I just do like the way it is. If somebody want to access, who are willing to fetch water, maybe our neighbor, is to open like this, see, and then fetching water, you know. Yeah, I don't want people to complain, guys. Okay, so guys, what do you think about on today's videos? But for me, I'm very special, like it's very special day to me. You can see, so it's gloomy, you can see the nimbus cloud right here, down there. It shows us like anytime it's gonna rain. I don't know. Let's fix these things. I finish and then I go. Alright guys, the work have been well done, and that being said, if somebody want to access fetching water, if one willing, guys, you know, if my neighbor, maybe get the river, maybe my neighbor here or there, they'll open here, do like that, and then fetching water. You can see there's a lot of water down there, and also to return it, you know. Yeah, here you can walk, you know. Here you can walk like that. So anyway guys, it's my time to go back home, and here's what it is, guys, you know. Yeah, so this is a bathroom, not a toilet. Like that. So let me wear my jacket, and then we say boom, and then we say boom. Okay guys. Like that. So the guy who is sign a deal, like he will come, the guy who's sitting washing clothes, when he come, he find I've already finished up. I don't know how to make this thing. Maybe sometime if somebody asks, maybe something small, and then if you're having on my pocket, I said okay, you just do it, you know. Maybe next time I'll do it with him, slashing, you know. I want to make this environment looking pure, clean, guys. So stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video, heading this way, guys. Yeah guys, I'm heading home, you know. So that's how I go. So this way. Wow. Yeah man, like that. I like the hammer. So let's go guys. Beautiful scenery, nature. Yeah, all my videos, sometimes I'm riding, guys, you know. You can see that place. Hey, it's good, the beauty. Yeah. So guys, at the same time, no idea on this video how long it is, you know, but I found myself pushing, you know. Okay, heading straight. Where?
How are you?
Tuko kwenye video.
Oh, you are still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
How are you?
I'm good, bro.
I'm removing mist.
Yes.
I'm heading to Nyabanza to pick a
Bike.
no, some guys to beat them.
Oh, let me escort you. Yeah, hold it for me.
I hold for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, how are you? Support my brother here, the big boss himself.
Yeah, I'm a big boss.
What were you talking about?
No, I was coming from down there, covering the borehole, because I realized some kids are playing there.
Ah. You have started building?
No, it's my friend's place. Yeah.
Okay.
So my work is to be a caretaker.
Nyabanza. So you leave me here.
I leave you here?
Because I'm removing cash. Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
Hi.
Thank you.
Let's go, guys. You know, I'm trying to chase with that time, you know. Wagwan. Yeah, man. Bless up, man. Boom. I'm pushing myself like a donkey. Let's go. Wagwan. Right, down here. As you watch this video, guys, don't keep running. Hey. Whoa. A nice house right there. Ah, this kid, you know. So guys, I'm going. That's the party takes place. This is the tent. Okay. I just come down here to say hello to my friend, you know, Mr. Osea. Big up. Alright guys, I've already reached, you know, at Sunset Cafe. You know, I normally charge my phone here. This is my sitting point, you see? I normally charge here. So that's my baby. Okay, let's see guys how our day go. You know, so for me, no idea how long this video will take, but I'm keep pushing, man. You see sand. The moment you have sand, you have balanced, man. Anytime if you want to do something like construction, you can do it. We have chaos here, guys. You see? Hey, you're doing good. Yeah.
Yo,
You good?
welcome, bro.
How is everything, Osea?
Everything is good.
Yes.
I thank God. Yeah.
Yeah, wago, niko poa kabisa.
I'm good.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah,
I
moving pillars.
I'm just removing the boxes after constructing the pillars. Now we want them to get something like oxygen penetrate into, and then we're gonna proceed with the activity.
Guys, before I go there, introduce yourself. This is a special shout out for you.
Imagine, guys. Let me use this moment.
Yeah.
Guys, this is I am _ Hosea on YouTube channel, and over there you can just come and watch my videos. We have a lot of showing all about skills, and you're gonna learn more from the Sunset Cafe, as we have just been doing this since day 0 until today, where we are just going on working on the JBL structure.
JBL?
The JBL structure.
Hey.
So I just believe everything gonna be well.
Guys,
Yes.
even I feel on my chest very bad, but I can't
know.
laugh. JBL?
The JBL structure.
Guys, if you know the JBL system, man,
Yeah.
it's like boom, boom, boom.
You
It's have a louder music.
Wagon,
Okay, guys, if we
Yeah.
talk pillars, we're meaning this.
Yeah, these are the pillars.
So after you fix maybe concrete,
Yeah.
steel
The
bar,
steel bars.
everything, we
Yeah.
create something like a pillar.
Yeah, we call it the pillar.
Man, this one and post, you can't compare. You know, this one I can push, but this one,
It's strong, stable.
ha, never on that.
Yeah.
Lakini zinafaa kunywa maji, zinatikisika.
Yeah, maji kawaida hiyo mwanzo lazima.
Guys, these are strongest.
Yeah.
Ha. Okay, you just remove.
Yeah, so we are moving now the boxes. Guys, kindly gonna ask you to come and watch my video. Support
Yeah.
me by watching guys my videos.
Okay.
You know, I'm just looking for the views. I don't have views actually. That's what
You
I'm
put more video. Oh, sir, let me come on top.
Yeah, you can.
Hey. Yeah, guys, it's good to go on top. You know, since you build your JBL, having to go there.
You are welcome. We just come up and see something.
I'm climbing like a goat.
Yeah.
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 Welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuna maji humu?
No water.
Oh, you tie it because of air will maybe swipe.
Maybe when we have the strong winds, it can blow away with the tank. So that's why we decided to tie with those binding wire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, remove ose.
Yeah.
Kitu kimekuwa mawe bana. Zege nyulieka hapa.
Kokot na nili.
Si mchezo.
Lazima uweke kitu strong, bro.
Yeah. And the good thing when you're on top on this, you see for entire village, guys. Yeah. Even our neighborhood. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Sarah.
How's everything, bro?
Everything is good. Me, I'm just keep pushing myself like a donkey.
Yeah, we have to do that. We have to do that,
Yes.
bro. No time.
No time.
Next time that you're gonna just like, oh, when you're gonna get hold, Daddy, we need this. You're gonna just find out.
Yeah, I don't want maybe in future my kids will crying.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy, I need bicycle. Oh, Daddy, I need this, and then I said no money, no.
Yeah, like at the
yeah.
life that we stayed.
Yeah.
Even that life, that's what I'm also like also trying to stay.
I don't want to look like, I don't want maybe in the future my kids to struggle the way I'm struggling back here.
Yeah.
You know. Right now, guys, I'm shooting these videos at the same time creating better future for my kids in the future, not now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It will fall down.
Yeah.
To a neighbor.
Yeah. Pole.
Hakuna matata.
Slowly.
Look that timber. It will fall down. You wait. You feel like pain.
Yeah. That's how we do that. So have to move the next one.
Yeah, guys, you know, sometimes I just found myself pushing every day, and I want to say one day this video that I'm making here, it will start paying me off, you know. Yeah. And then also my family start enjoying, you know, make sure that everything, like everybody eats good and then go to school. Yeah, that's how it's depend. You'll be a good father in future, you know. But if you didn't do right now, supporting your mom, supporting your dad. For example, I have my mom at home. If I didn't support him, and that's how I learned, maybe life in the future, you know. So it's good to work hard, to go hard on our dream, and then everything will be okay, man. Everything will be okay, you know. No time for the haters, guys. All my videos, it's positive vibe. And when I say no time for the haters, I know sometimes I do like to use these terms. It's very like, I don't want to use that term again, but I know other people when I do something good, they hate, you know, they hate what I'm doing. But no time for them. Let's follow the vibe. To the end. Yeah. Also, I think these are, oh my God, must be very careful. Also, these are, hey, yeah. You never know, maybe there's a bathroom here. Who know? And then drop the food going to the septic. You never know. Here, hey, must have did a nice job here, guys. No joke. You see, even piping at the back. You see down there below. Also, this a pipe. You know, maybe they'll put a motor from the borehole, generate water, coming here and then serving the entire building. You know. Yeah. But it is what it is, guys. You know? You're good and ready to go.
Yeah.
Ngumu kweli
sana.
I think maybe if you have a clover, it could be easy.
Yeah?
If you have a clover.
I don't have it. Just using
Okay.
the way the easiest also.
Alright guys, check out Hosea. I really appreciate. So right now I think we shall meet on the next vlog, you know. My day, they haven't completed, guys. We shall see on the next vlog. So I left my phone to be charged here, and then I go back home. I end my video, eat the food because I'm so hungry like a goat. Yeah, like that. That's a nice pillar. If you know, you know, guys. If you wanna shoot here, you wanna shoot,
Yeah.
am I?
I'm doing the video at the same time.
Okay. Well, guys, so more amazing videos coming, guys. So we shall meet on the way. Okay, guys, let's go. Heading to border town, you know. No joke. Wow. So I do come from Hosea. So I'm heading to border town to do my stuff, and then from that home. Ooh. Yeah, guys, I love the way I show you good vibe, good view, man. Yeah, upcoming restaurants have been under construction here. You see? Ha. Yeah. Okay. This road it connects the border of Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. East Africa. You know. Wow. Yeah. I see big truck. Have some firewood here. Right there. Nice view. If I need to overtake, it's on my right side, not left. So I'll jump to the other side. You know, that's a truck. Right here. Big farm. Let's go. Ferrari. Wagwan. Okay, guys. Yeah. This side people are still living, you know. Yeah. Life in my countryside, not what I expected, guys. Yeah. We are breathing fresh air. Breathing fresh air. And the good thing about me, guys, I'm riding alongside the road, you know, not there, no, here. Wow. Also, I see tourist vehicle. What's up, man? What's happened to them? Yeah. That's a tourist vehicle. What time to travel? Yeah, people are traveling to Masai Mara. Stop. We're gonna move like that way, man. So it's lunch time, and then students will go back to lunch, you know, interact with the other students, you know. Here we move. That's my Roman Catholic Church. Damn. Whoa. Imagine, guys, I haven't go back home. Yeah. Let's go, guys, you know. Yeah. That's a stone, logs right there. Hey. For sure, guys. Even that material shit there, before I knew like I could buy my own material for constructing my mama house. I see that material, but I wanna see some months ago, you know. I don't want to rush on things, guys. Let's take time, you know. Take time. Yeah. I don't wanna take time. Yeah. This place or this region, it's a business center nowadays. You can see full of tractors, guys, you know. Yeah, buying and selling of maize. Man, this is crazy. You can't imagine. Look at that. All right. Look, even that road, guys, full of maize. Look at this. A lot. That's a lot. That's V-Power shell within here. You know, look, full of maize, guys. Africa to Meshiba. We are full. Yeah, look, guys. Where I walk like 30 minutes, it's maize. It's maize all over. Maize. That's a cake. Maize. All over. Ha. Not only this place, also have some different places. So guys, this border town, a nice view from here, and I love to come in the border town. Even doing shopping, man, this is crazy. Wow. So that's how we go. That's how it go, man. Also have some police station here, you know. Yeah, business all over alongside the road, you know, for someone else to put something on the table, you know. Guys, this road one day bring my GoPro. This one here, I'm telling you, one day to bring my camera which I'm shooting with. Yeah. Yeah, today the weather is super calm, chilly, you can see. That's a noon vibe, man. Whoa. Wow. Something amazing. Let's push, guys. Enjoy, and also guys, leave a sweet comments on the comment section. Let's know what you think about on today's videos, you know, are very special. This is border town. Yeah, they really develop slowly, you know, really develop. Really develop in terms of business, number one. In terms of That's Club Canais right here, you know. Okay, guys. Africa to the world. No. Africa to the world. Africa to the world. No pain, no gain, man. Africa to the world. You know, even this side here. I'm showing you. Africa to the world. Ahead of me, you have the border. So I need to close it up. Alright guys, I'm just back home and man, it's time to relax. I'm so tired, so I need to take shower, all to bed, and then from that to upload this video, guys. So man, you heard the cock. More blessings, guys, are coming. More blessings are coming, guys, you know. So let's see whether I can find a container here, even to fetch water for bathing, guys, you know. Yeah, no pressure, guys, like we are enjoying, man, you know. Yeah, I need to fetch water, you know. La 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 la. Yeah, there. I think you see me here, guys. Maybe here. I don't know, guys, where I can fix there. To fetch only one container. I think there. Oh my god. There. Yeah. It's to fetch one container. This one here. Then taking to the bathroom, I bet, and then boom, I relax. That's how we end our day. Guys, even my stomach is empty. Like that. One container. It's enough. It's enough for me, guys. You know? Yeah. So this one here, it's enough for me. So guys, we shall meet on tomorrow's videos. So in case you're new here, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. You know? Subscribe and share my video, guys. If I found even 5 people sharing my videos to maybe 100 people to 50 people, I really appreciate it, guys, you know. But things will take time. Slowly I'll be there, guys. So I love you from the bottom of my heart. May God bless you, and I wish you all the best, guys. So we shall meet on the next video.